Welcome back, all you beautiful people. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of some gaming tech. Always trying to save you money, and it's happening right now. Cotton chroma key backdrop was $8 on geek.com, and standard shipping was another $4 USD. It's a 10-foot photography photo background support stand. It's the backdrop crossbar kit, plus the 2 pieces and clamps. It's $29 at geek.com. Standard shipping is another $10, so for $39, plus the $8 for the green screen. It's really a good deal. And here we go. Let's set it up for you and show you what it looks like. With my helpful sidekick, Bryce. This green screen here comes in this box. This is the metal bar part of it that you order separately from geek.com. And behind him is a package with the actual green screen itself.
This deal's getting worse all the time.
Okay, so first of all, you got some tools in here to hold the green screen up, like, I forgot what this is called, but yeah. You have these on the side.
Potato chip clip.
Sure. And then...
Nose clamps.
Yeah, nose clamps. I have no clue what those are, but yeah.
For pinching children's nose.
And then you have more of these. So, you have those to hold the green screen up behind you when you're doing a live stream or whatever you're doing. And then, take this out of the package. Package inside. And I think you can carry this around because it has straps on it.
Yep.
So if like you're moving or you're just going over to a friend's house or something, whatever, you can carry it with you and just, so there's like holes right here, so you, oh wow, there's something Velcro right here. There's a Velcro strap right here, so you can put all the stuff in it when you're like going wherever.
Nice.
Okay. So now you got the bars right here. This is probably about a good solid 2 feet or so. They're black and the very tips are silver. And there's 4 of them. They all have little clamps, like, you know, crutches, how they have little clamps to hook onto stuff. It's just like that. So we're going to move these over to the side.
What other goodies are in the bag?
Ooh, what is this?
There we go.
What is this? Is this what actually is this though?
And of course there's no instructions.
This guy don't know his right from his left. When I say go, we all point to the right. Go! Oh, ambidextrous, eh? What's that?
It's kind of like a tripod, but it's right there at the corner piece. It's the leg brace to hold up the green screen. We went with green. You can go green, black, gray, or blue. Okay, now back to the action.
You bring this to the side. This is the bottom of the feet right here. So when you put it on the ground, it just sits there and stays just like a tripod. And there is 3 of these. You just have to get them out. And you unloosen it right here. Let's take this off real quick. That's fine. Alright, and then you unloosen them as much as you want. And it makes it easier. And then say you have it at exactly what you want.
Let's go ahead and put that back on there.
You sit here, just like this, and you sit here and just tighten it. That's all you're really supposed to do. So for right now, we'll just put these back, farther away. You just bring it up,
Okay.
and, ow. You unloosen this, bring it up, and again. But that's why you have a choice on tightening it. And then you bring it all the way up. And then...
No and then! No and then! No and then! No and then!
You do it again. If you want to go really high. But usually you would probably keep it at this height, about there.
No, we'll go up. Might as
Or
well.
a little bit higher, probably about like right there. That's all you really need, to be honest. But all the way, yeah. Like we probably like a 7-8 foot ceiling. And this is about 1.5 feet off. And that's actually really good. So yeah, there's that. And you tighten them up, like so. And then when you tighten it up, it just stays there in place. But don't think you only have to tighten the top one.
Okay, that one's snug.
Because if you tighten only the top one, the bottom part will fall down. And no one would really like that if you're streaming.
Okay, so there's one. Now we'll go ahead and get the other one hooked up.
I'll loosen it. Loosen it.
And you can see right here, it does a great job.
And just like I said, you unloosen it. You unloosen it. Take this part off, and then screw the one with the bigger hole on, and then screw this back on top. Okay. And then over here, like I said, it's just like crutches. You bring it in, you twist so it doesn't pop out again, and then you try to line it up. So you come under it, pull a little bit, and there you go. It snaps on it.
And you can see here, it's got the little tips sticking out on both ends. That can help you to adjust. All right, let's bring the other one over.
Okay. There you go.
And it's pretty wide.
Yeah. But hey, bigger is better.
Okay. And we still have 2 more bars here that we could use to make it even wider. But quite honestly, for our use, I don't think we're going to need one that big. Okay, we ended up leaving these 2 bars out because we don't need it to be that crazy long.
Like, this can at least be like 6 foot long, and it could be crazy.
It's already pretty long as it is.
This is at least 3 feet.
We got the stands up. Okay. Next, the green screen comes in a package like this. Let's go ahead and open that up.
So,
We'll take a little peek.
whoops.
That's all right. We'll just put that there.
Yeah. If I can open this, the package is really well.
Yeah, we'll just put that one there too.
Yeah, that goes there too.
You can tell. Don't try this at home, children. We are trained professionals.
Very.
It's so green.
Yeah.
Here, turn to the side so we can get you in the light. So you can be pretty.
This is like very, very green.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So what kind of material is it? Is it soft?
It's like, I don't know how to describe it really. It's like, fabric, really. It's like, clothy material.
Oh, like a green fabric.
Yeah.
Like a t-shirt that you probably didn't want to wear.
Yeah. And yeah, this is about...
Wow, that is so not long enough.
Why would they have 4 bars? This is barely even wide enough to fit 2 bars.
That's all right. It will do the trick.
Alright, so now you can see, since you have a chair here, right? You don't want it leveled as the chair because watch, when you sit down, your head is going to be a little bit above the chair, and you don't want your head, like part of your head, to be cut off. Okay, so you raise it like a little bit higher, and then you would scoot the chair up, say your live stream, you'd scoot the chair up, and then you grab the green thing, put it here, like so, and then just clamp it on, and there's practically your green screen.
That way it covers you and you don't have missing gaps or anything while you're streaming. So we'll get it tied down. We'll be right back in just a second.
So now you sit here, you do whatever. You'd be sitting here gaming, live stream, whatever you're doing. And behind me, like, this is just like nothing really. It's just recording you. So this green on a live stream, this would not appear at all.
And as you can see right here, we got the clamp here. Got another one there. Then these big plastic ones are right here.
Yeah. And it's the same exact thing on the other side. And there's nothing up here. Up here there's nothing. And yeah, that's practically your green screen right there.
Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.